Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to transfer CapCut projects to PC easily. Okay, first things first, open your CapCut app on your computer. In the CapCut app, you'll find your projects. To transfer a project to your PC, you'll just need to get the project details from the right side of your screen. These details include the project's location on your computer. Now, let us navigate to the project folder on your PC. And here are the steps. First is to open this PC on your computer. Then, go to the primary drive and navigate to the users folder and click on it. Next step is to find your computer's name and click on it. Next is to click again on App Data. Then, open the local folder by double-clicking it. Look for the CapCut folder and tap on it. Next step is inside the CapCut folder, locate user data and tap on it. You'll then find a folder with a name similar to 0710. So if you happen to see it, just click on this folder. Inside the 0710 folder, you'll then see the project files. These files contain your CapCut project. So what you want to do is to select all the files in this folder and copy them. Then, paste the copied project files into this new folder by pressing Ctrl+B. And that's it. Hopefully, you'll get to transfer your CapCut projects to your PC. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now transfer CapCut projects to PC easily. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!